my initial days when I started my working career, I have been worked in a car manufacturing sector. There is a term called as a preventive maintenance. That means there are machines which cost crores of rupees. We need to take care of the minute thing like changing oil and checking all the parameters weekly basis, monthly basis, and three times, once in a 3 times of a month, and then 6 months, and then like this. There is a schedule to take care of it, because once it end up breaking down, right, it cost crores of rupees to get them fixed. Is there any value for your body? You can put a price tag for your body? No, right? I was just thinking, if that care has been given for machines, why can't we take care about our body, and why can't we take care about what we are good at and what we need to work on, getting your blood work done and prioritizing your eating habits? You need to work on these aspects. There is no price tag for our body. So take charge of yourself and look where you're lacking and start working on it, because you should not end up paying a big price for your body. Until then, signing off. This is Coach Akshayram. Stay fit and stay healthy.